So this video is just going to give you a quick little demo how to install Omnitrace with a pre-built release. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to github.com, AMD Research Omnitrace. We're going to go to the releases, and we're going to scroll down to the assets. And we're going to pick Omnitrace 1.0.0 for our Ubuntu 20.04 system, where we have ROCm 5.1 installed. So we are going to copy this link and take it over to our terminal. I'm going to go to the system that I have, and I'm going to pull that script. Okay, so now you see I have that script here. Now that the script is downloaded, we need to make it executable. So we're going to do that. If you look at the help menu, you can see that there's an option labeled prefix, and that's what we're going to use to designate where we're going to install Omnitrace. And in order to run this installer, you need to make the directory beforehand. Okay, we're going to accept the license, and we're going to choose to exclude the subdirectory. So we're going to hit no here. Okay, now we have installed Omnitrace. So in software Omnitrace, you can say we have a bin, lib, and include. If you have modules, you can use module use, software Omnitrace, share module files. You can see now that we have a module file for Omnitrace. Alternatively, if you don't have environment modules, you can source the setup env script. Now that we've sourced our script, let's validate that Omnitrace, the executable that we have for binary instrumentation, is in our path. Same with Omnitrace avail. Omnitrace avail is a application for information about settings, hardware counters, etc. And we also have the Omnitrace Python script. And let's validate that all the shared libraries are loaded correctly. Okay, so in this situation, I have several ROCm versions installed on my system. ROCm 5.0, 5.1, and ROCm 5.2. You can see that the ROCm version, that's the default that we're currently resolving to, is actually 5.2. So in this situation, we actually need to fix the runtime path of ROCm so that we don't end up loading the wrong rock tracer version at runtime. So in the demo directory, I just wrote a little script to do this. The first thing that it does is it sets the ROCm path to opt ROCm 5.1, and then we specify a few other paths, and then down at the bottom there, you can see that we export the path and the LD library path to the ROCm directories here. So I'm going to go ahead and source this. And we can now see that the libamd hip is resolving to the correct version of Rocket.